Okay, so another trailer restoration in play. So this is a, I think it's about a 75. I'm gonna tidy it all up, make it our second motorbike trailer. Soon we got to take 3 bikes to the track. So objective here is to, it's all been washed and scraped down a bit, and so we're going to put some rust converter on it and then spray it Hammertone black, and you won't even recognise it when it's all done. Okie dokie. So I just got it propped up on a block and a heavy duty crate, so it's not going anywhere. Got to take taillights off, doing some masking up, just waiting for a spray gun to arrive, and then we'll be good to go.